Alright, you crazy cats, let's get this one going. So Grail Punt number 183, we got the spawn number 280, Matina Virgin CGC 9.8. Let me come down here. So the time is 8:14, and the current time in Perth on Tuesday the 2nd of June is 8:14. Let's grab this list. So at spot number 1, we have Stephen Reynolds, down to spot number 68, which is Dak. Copy that and put it in our list. So let's double check that. Stephen Reynolds at number 1, down to spot number 68, which is Dak. Here we go, 3 dice roll. Ooh, so we've got 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, let's get this show on the road. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll double check the randomizer. 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 5. Last one. Good luck, everyone. Alright, so we've rolled it 6 times. Let's have a look who the winner is. Dak with number 68, the final number in the draw. Congrats, mates. So that time is 8:16, and it's 8:16 here in Perth. Thanks everyone for a quick apple, hey? Alright.